Beijing Jingdiao, practicing intelligent manufacture. Beijing Jingdiao Group is a high-tech enterprise focusing on R&D, manufacturing, sales of CNC machines. After 20 years since the foundation, Beijing Jingdiao Group is now a medium-sized enterprise that has 10+ sub-companies, 40+ subsidiaries, 4,000+ employees. Production capacity is over 10,000 sets of medium-sized CNC machines per year. Annual output value is over $700 million. The main product includes precision CNC machine tools, control system, high-speed and precision spindle, NC torque rotary table, and CAD/CAM software. Beijing Jingdiao possesses large-scale R&D ability. The R&D team consists with 400+ professional engineers, made a lot great achievements by continuous innovation. Put forward more than 300 different Jingdiao CNC machine models to market. Upgrade Jingdiao CAD/CAM software Surf Mill for several versions. Developed Universal CNC Control System JD50. Put forward more than 20 different models of high-speed and precision spindle to market. Acquired more than 100 national patents, in which 10+ invention patents, 30+ software copyrights. Jingdiao CNC Machining Center integrates machine bed, control system, high-speed and precision spindle, CAD/CAM software, and other accessories together seamlessly. Excellent with micro-machining, Jingdiao High-Speed Engraving Center, represented by JDVT600, is capable of doing drilling, tapping, grinding, polishing, high-gloss milling, and online probing compensation, multi-axis machining. The surface roughness of high-gloss part is up to 10 nanometer. Intelligent manufacturing could be approached with industrial robotics, online probing system, and other accessories. JD50 represents the leading technology on high-speed machining with small tools, multi-axis machining, online probing, machine vision. JD50 has professional feature for micro-machining and deep developing ability for CNC project management. Jingdiao high-speed and precision spindle reach top-level requirement for high speed, high rigidity, and low vibration. Highest speed could reach 60,000 RPM. Synchronous spindle is capable of fast, rigid tapping. Jingdiao NC torque rotary table acquires feature of high precision and good stability. Performance has reached the mainstream level in this field. Independently developed Jingdiao CAD/CAM software includes Surf Mill, Artform, and other products, and has unique advantages for small tool machining, relief modeling. It has been widely used in mold making, product machining, multi-axis simultaneous machining. The customer's technique level continually improved by software upgrading. Beijing Jingdiao build-up factories and R&D office in Beijing Shilong Industrial Area and Langfang Economic Development Zone. Construction area is over 220,000 square meter, producing over 10,000 sets of Jingdiao machines and accessories per year. Spindle factory covers processes from material treatment to assembly in constant temperature and clean workshop. Produce over 16,000 high-speed and precision spindles annually. With scores of Renesas laser interferometer, bulbar, and other measurement devices, Beijing Jingdiao takes strict quality control to each step, from parts machining to machine assembly. Professional teams for manufacturing, process research, and management ensure excellent performance of Jingdiao machines. Beijing Jingdiao insist on business idea to go forward together with customers, taken engineering support as core of our customer service, and kept improving the service. Over 40 offices, 1,000 technical engineers deployed in China, providing reliant and on-time technical service to fully support our customers. For customers' new product verification, Beijing Jingdiao set up 10 verification centers, covering area over 100,000 square meter, with over 2,000 sets of Jingdiao machines and professional measurement systems, providing office space and test sites for customers to make customized end solutions and conduct batch production process to help customers realize commercial production more quickly. Engraving perfection with leading technology. Beijing Jingdiao Group.